Hi there. Welcome to How to Tech News YouTube channel. The PlayPoint rewards expire 1 year from the last activity. And for someone who does not spend a lot on apps, games, or in-app purchases, it might not be as beneficial. Consequently, if you want to remove PlayPoints from the Play Store, follow the steps below. 1. Open Google Play Store on your Android phone. Tap your profile photo in the top right corner. 3. Next, click on PlayPoints. 4. Once in the PlayPoints window, tap the 3 dots on the top right and select Help. 5. Click on Leave Google PlayPoints. 6. Confirm the correct account associated with the PlayPoints program. 7. Then, review your membership information and benefits on the following screens. 8. Finally, provide cancellation confirmation and tap Cancel Enrolment. Once done, the PlayPoints option will be removed from your Play Store app. Having said that, you can re-enroll in the program by tapping your profile picture and selecting PlayPoints. Hope you like the video, subscribe and like if you like the content we post.